The bigger rooms, I think people are really going to feel that this is a very open and comfortable space to live in. Oh wow, you might not believe it at first, but it is real this time. Tesla has officially begun delivering its first ever 280-foot tiny houses. And just like Elon Musk promised, they arrive fully built and ready to move into in less than 2 hours. It almost sounds impossible to imagine, right? For only $7,999, you can actually own a cozy little home where you can rest, cook dinner, or even invite some friends over. And here is the crazy part. You can even buy more than one and rent them out as a small business idea. When you step inside, it feels surprisingly solid and peaceful. It has that feeling of true quality, and somehow it feels more real than you would expect. Imagine placing one of these in your backyard and starting to rent it out immediately. That means you could start earning money almost right away. And before we go further, if you love learning about Elon Musk's latest projects and Tesla's futuristic designs, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and join the AMP Drive family, where we uncover the most unbelievable tech made real. Now back to it. Every single wall panel and modular component of the Tesla tiny house is built using premium materials and assembled right inside Tesla's Nevada factory. The entire structure can fold down for easy transport and unfold on site like some kind of futuristic pop-up miracle. But the part that truly turns heads is this: Elon says the Tesla tiny house comes with zero land cost, zero building taxes, and Tesla's own team handles every part of the installation process. This is not some random side project. It is a bold new direction for the company. This time, Musk is not just building rockets or electric vehicles, he is diving straight into the housing market. And he is not targeting the wealthy, but rather everyday people who need affordable, energy-efficient homes. The amazing thing is, it is already happening. The first houses have already been delivered in California. So now the real questions are, when will large-scale deliveries begin, and how can you actually get one of these futuristic homes for yourself? Let's find out, because everything you need to know is right here. You would never have guessed it, but around 3 years ago, Elon Musk surprised everyone when he revealed that he had been living in a $40,000 tiny house in Texas, calling it a once-in-a-lifetime experience. For someone worth hundreds of billions, that sounded almost impossible, right? But it was not about showing off simplicity. That little home was actually Musk's test run for something much bigger, rethinking how humans could live in the future. He has been saying for years that the biggest challenges humanity faces are not only about clean energy or electric transportation, but also about the skyrocketing cost of land and housing. Real estate prices keep rising faster than people's paychecks, and owning a home feels more like a dream than a reality. Suddenly, living smaller no longer seems strange, it seems smart, maybe even necessary. Because at this rate, within the next 10 years, having a large traditional house might only be possible for the super-rich. That is exactly where Tesla steps in. Known for sleek design, clean power, and cutting-edge efficiency, the company is now applying those same ideas to the way people live. Musk's vision is simple but revolutionary: affordable, ultra-efficient homes that go from delivery to move-in within just a few hours instead of months. And to prove that he is serious, he personally unveiled the Tesla tiny house priced at only $7,999, just a fraction of what he once paid for his own minimalist home. So how did Tesla actually manage to build this tiny house at their Nevada factory, and why is it so affordable? During the 2025 Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon Musk gave a rare behind-the-scenes look. And the process is as futuristic as you can imagine. Each tiny house is constructed inside Tesla's own facility where several of their robots have been reprogrammed to handle this new production line. Inside this section of the plant, entire wall panels, kitchen and bathroom modules, solar systems, and smart energy units are all pre-assembled with millimeter-level precision. Forget cheap drywall or generic builds, these homes are designed like advanced machines. They are made from high-strength steel, concrete, insulation foam, and multi-layer composite panels, all pressed together with over 255,000 pounds of force. The result is extremely strong modules roughly 6 meters by 2.6 meters each. And as expected, Tesla takes it a step further. Every single home includes a solar roof, Powerwall, and complete smart home integration through the Tesla app, allowing it to be entirely self-powered and self-sustaining. Once you place your order, things move unbelievably fast. The whole house is built, packed, and shipped in record time. Each one folds neatly into a compact block that fits right onto a truck. And yes, Tesla even uses its own semi-fleet to deliver them across the United States or to ship them overseas inside standard containers. The process is simple, fast, and perfectly thought out to reduce all the usual hassle. When your house arrives, setup is almost effortless. It unfolds, locks into position, and connects itself, turning into a complete home in just a few hours. Even the finishing touches like power, water, and interior fittings are ready within 1 to 3 hours. It is not just something you buy, it is something that comes alive the moment it arrives. With a steel frame, concrete panels, and EPS insulation, this Tesla tiny house is built to last. It is not your typical prefab unit. Designed to last for up to 26 years before needing major renovation, every part is tested to handle real-world stress. It is fire-resistant, waterproof, mold-proof, and corrosion-resistant. At about 5,200 pounds, it is lightweight, so while it might not stand up to a Category 5 hurricane or a massive earthquake, its reinforced shell and weather-sealed exterior make it sturdy enough to handle most normal conditions. And here is the wild part, for under $8,000, you get a 280-square-foot living space that feels surprisingly roomy. The base layout feels cozy but not cramped, with 4 separate zones and a ceiling height of about 9.1 feet, which makes everything feel larger and more open. It is ideal for 2 or 3 people. And if you ever need more space, Tesla has already planned for that too. The layout is completely modular, allowing you to connect units side by side or stack them into 2 or 3 levels, creating enough room for a family of 5. Need a home office, extra bedroom, or maybe a small studio? Just snap on another module horizontally or vertically, and your home literally grows with your needs. Of course, more modules mean a little extra cost and setup time, but that kind of flexibility is exactly what makes Tesla unique. At just over 5,000 pounds, the Tesla tiny house is basically a masterclass in simplicity and clever design. Every inch is used wisely. There is no wasted space, no clutter, no unnecessary decoration. When you first hear that it is only 280 square feet, your first thought is probably, wait, that is smaller than my garage, how could anyone live there? But once you step inside, all that doubt fades away. The way Tesla has used space here is absolutely brilliant. Despite its size, this little house includes everything you would expect in a normal home: a bedroom, living room, kitchen, and bathroom, for proper sections inside just 280 square feet. Those tall ceilings completely change how it feels. The whole place feels open and free instead of cramped. When you walk in, it instantly hits you that this is not a basic box. It is pure design brilliance. Everything from the layout to the textures feels deliberate. The inside has that signature Tesla vibe, clean, modern, simple, and still cozy. In the center, you will find the heart of the house, a well-planned living room and bedroom combined. A soft-toned sofa sits neatly against the wall, elegant and minimal. But here comes the wow moment: with one smooth pull, it folds out into a comfy double bed complete with built-in bedding and pillows hidden inside. Within seconds, your daytime lounge transforms into a warm and cozy sleeping space. And yes, there is enough room for a 50-inch television, mounted right on the wall, with space left for shelves to hold books, plants, or whatever makes it feel like home. Even with guests, the space never feels tight. You can sit, relax, or invite friends over for coffee. That is the magic of this design. It is small in numbers, but big in feeling. The lighting is another area where Tesla truly shines. The house features oversized windows that let in plenty of natural light, making the whole area bright and uplifting. These windows are not just for looks, they are double-pane insulated glass that helps retain warmth in winter and block heat in summer, improving energy efficiency. When night falls, energy-efficient LED lights create a warm golden glow, giving everything a calm and welcoming atmosphere. That balance of technology and comfort is classic Tesla. During the day, sunlight connects you with the outdoors, and when evening comes, the smart curtains automatically slide closed, giving you peace and privacy. With a tap on the Tesla app, the outside world simply fades away. Right next to the living area is another surprise, a private bathroom that redefines what small can be. It is compact yet feels open and bright. Frosted glass doors allow natural light in while keeping everything private. Inside, you find a sleek shower with a rain-style head, a modern sink with a mirror cabinet, and a low-profile toilet. Everything is made from strong, easy-to-clean materials that look beautiful and last long. You might think cooking in such a small space is impossible, but Tesla's design proves otherwise. The kitchen might be tiny, but it is perfectly planned. Every single inch is used smartly, from the induction cooktop and sink to the mini fridge, oven, and dishwasher. It feels like Tesla looked at a shoebox and said, "Let's turn this into a complete kitchen." And somehow, they pulled it off. Tall cabinets climb up the wall, offering way more storage than you expect. There is even a fold-down dining table that flips out from the counter, perfect for 2 people. Once done, it folds back, keeping the clean minimalist look intact. Even the air inside the home is optimized for comfort. A built-in smart ventilation and air purification system keeps everything fresh and odor-free. It quietly removes cooking smells and keeps the air crisp and clean. This Tesla tiny house packs everything you need, a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and living space, without feeling like you are giving anything up. It is not meant to replace a huge house, but it offers a modern, sustainable lifestyle that fits 2 people easily or a small family when expanded. The modular system makes it easy to grow your home later by adding more sections. You can even go energy independent. For a little extra, you can add Tesla's solar roof panels connected with a Powerwall that stores energy from the sun. The whole setup is controlled directly through the Tesla app. One tap, and you can see your home powering itself. When upgraded, the home becomes a completely self-sustaining system, capable of powering your appliances, lights, air conditioning, even charging your electric car, all off the grid. Add a water tank, filtration system, rainwater collection, and waste treatment, and you can live totally independent, sustainable, and future-ready. Buying a Tesla tiny house is unlike buying a traditional home. There are no real estate agents, banks, or months of waiting. You simply place your order online, that is it. No extra fees, no complicated process. What arrives at your door is not a pile of materials, but a finished, ready-to-live-in smart home that unfolds right in front of you. And here's something that surprises everyone: if you do not already own land, Tesla offers you free land for the first 2 years inside their new community zones. From start to finish, Tesla handles everything: production, shipping, setup, and connection. When the truck arrives, the team unfolds your home, connects it, and within hours, it is ready. The lights turn on, the solar panels begin working, and your Tesla app lights up, "Welcome home." This move directly challenges the housing crisis caused by high land costs. Tesla has flipped the entire system by removing that barrier completely. Imagine ordering your home online, and within days, a sleek Tesla Semi shows up carrying your future. A few hours later, you are standing in your own house. No mortgage. No debt. Just freedom. It sounds too good to be true, but Elon Musk insists it is very real. He confirmed that these homes can be delivered almost anywhere on the planet in 1 to 2 weeks, folded inside a Tesla Semi or standard shipping container. They can pop up in deserts, forests, or even rooftops in busy cities. This is not a concept, it is the start of something revolutionary. A future where owning a home is no longer just for the rich, but for anyone who dreams of independence and comfort. And the best part? It all started with Musk himself. The man who once owned huge mansions sold almost everything and moved into a 400 square foot box beside his factory. People thought he was crazy, but maybe he was just giving us a glimpse of the future, one where sustainability and simplicity go hand in hand. By the year 2030, the Tesla tiny house could be everywhere, reshaping how the world lives. As Musk said, "I do not only want to build electric cars. I want to create a complete sustainable energy ecosystem." And now that dream is expanding to housing. Starting next year, Tesla will begin full-scale production of the Tesla tiny house after completing a massive new factory next to Giga Nevada. This entire facility will focus on energy walls and modular living structures. Of course, this new direction will not be easy. Building homes means facing new challenges, sourcing construction materials, navigating building codes, and meeting global safety standards. It is not just engineering anymore, it is architecture, regulation, and human-centered design all at once. Even for Tesla, it will take serious work. So, what about you? Would you spend $8,000 on a Tesla tiny house, or would you still have doubts? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another look at Tesla's bold innovations. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and we will see you again right here on AMP Drive.